I want to thank Trade Coffee for sponsoring this video. They want to give you 30% off some really great coffee, so stick around to find out more. Potato chips come from potatoes. You can make them by smashing a potato against the wall, or by smashing a potato against a potato. You can roll a potato across your cutting board, or if you're really stuck, you can buy them in a bag. If you're making these in the middle of the night, you can put your noise-canceling headphones on the chip bag to keep it quiet. There's many kinds of chocolate you can use. I'm using semi-sweet baking chocolate, which is named that because it has similar sweetness to a semi-truck. To melt the chocolate, you can make a double boiler by putting one pan or heat-safe bowl inside another pan with some heated water. This keeps your chocolate from burning because your water will only heat up to around 1,000 degrees or whatever, which is less than the burning point of chocolate, which is like 2,000 degrees or something. Keep it to a low simmer because if any water gets in the chocolate, you'll ruin it. If you have extra delicate chocolate, feel free to make a quadruple boiler instead. Or you can just heat your chocolate on low while continually stirring because you're a smart person who pays attention and you don't need a bowl of water regulating the temperature of your life. You can also melt chocolate with a hairdryer while simultaneously getting ready for a hot date. Or you can live in a hot as f*** apartment and put the chocolate in a bowl and watch it melt away along with all your ambition. While you're at it, put your bed in a double boiler to keep the temperature down. Once the chocolate's melted, you can go ahead and dip those chips. Feel free to use a pair of tweezers if you don't want to contaminate them, or use a pair of pliers if you want to take the sensitive touch challenge.
Certified sensitive.
Yes. Feel free to load your chips up with chocolate or do a light graze if you prefer boring things. You can also work that rim, or if you have an extra sensitive palate, just waft chocolate fumes towards the chip. Lay them on some parchment paper, then put them in the heat remover to cool and harden. Or if you want to be professional about it, hang them from your heat subtractor clothesline with care. But if you want to do this the easiest way possible, build a Rube Goldberg machine to dip the chips automatically. Only do that if you want to really save a lot of time. Dipping strawberries in chocolate has its own set of challenges, mainly in the grip department. You might think you can just grab the stem and dip, but many stems aren't strong enough, in which case you should give your strawberries a set of barbells to do some strength training. But a better approach is to get it in the chocolate, then use your strawberry harpoon to retrieve it. Now throw those strawberries on your temperature reducer drying rack until they cool and harden. Power Stone crush some almonds with love and wang jangle them into some chocolate to create choco-almond clusters. While you're at it, Power Stone crush some espresso beans to create almond coffee chocolate clusters. Use a chopstick to make them into a specific shape, such as the shape of a clump. Those are some nice looking cluster stuffed nuts. If you don't have a lot of room in your fridge, you can cut your parchment paper to a size that will fit, or put them inside an Arctic ice castle. Then combine a chocolate dipped chip, strawberry, and coffee nut stuffed cluster to make a choco-almond coffee tato berry crunch surprise. The surprise is that you already know what's inside it. And then bask in the knowledge that you'll never be able to enjoy any of these things without chocolate again. Fantastic. Are you tired of flailing around like a lost child, not knowing which coffee to pick? Well, Trade Coffee solves that problem by matching you with some of the nation's top roasters by having you take this little quiz. You tell them how you like your coffee, whether you make pour over, espresso, Power Stone crushed, or some other way, and a few other questions, and then their magical algorithm picks the best coffee for you. Then they deliver it to your door fresh from the roaster. Then you rate that coffee and repeat to get even better coffee next time. Unless you've found the one true coffee to rule them all. In which case, go ahead and order more of that. I don't think they're gonna stop you. Click on the link below to get 30% off your first bag when you sign up, which includes free shipping. I have no idea why I'm pouring this coffee into the bowl.